Ever wonder what your body really needs to burn fat, stay energized, and keep your brain sharp all at once? The answer might be hiding in a powerful amino acid called L-Carnitine. L-Carnitine is a non-essential amino acid, which means your body can make it. But here's the catch. It often can't make enough, especially when you're pushing hard, physically or mentally, or following a low-meat, vegan or plant-based diet. And that's where supplementation comes in, because L-Carnitine doesn't just sit around in your body. It gets to work, doing things most nutrients can't. Let's dive into what makes L-Carnitine a next-level wellness booster. Fat burner and energy booster. L-Carnitine's main gig? Transforming fat into fuel. It pulls fatty acids into your cells so they can be burned for energy, especially during exercise. That's why it's a favorite in weight loss programs and often mentioned in connection with reducing cellulite. Workout enhancer. Feeling sore after training? L-Carnitine may reduce lactic acid buildup so you recover faster. It's also been shown to increase oxygen uptake, giving your endurance a serious lift. Ideal for athletes and active lifestyles. Heart and circulation support. L-Carnitine may help strengthen the heart muscle and improve blood flow. Great news for those with high blood pressure, poor circulation, or a family history of heart disease. Brain function and memory. Anecdotal reports suggest L-Carnitine may improve memory, mood, and mental clarity, especially in older adults. It's even been linked to slowing the progression of conditions like Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. Fertility Booster. L-Carnitine may enhance sperm quality, concentration, and mobility. And for women, the acetyl form of L-Carnitine has shown potential to help restore menstruation in some cases. Support for fibromyalgia. Some studies suggest L-Carnitine could help reduce pain, depression, and fatigue in people living with fibromyalgia, improving overall quality of life. Want even better results? L-Carnitine works well with green tea for a double hit of fat-burning support. Chromium to stabilize blood sugar and help with slimming. Zinc, especially for men looking to boost fertility. And here's a quick tip. Vegans and vegetarians often have lower dietary intake of L-Carnitine since it's mostly found in red meat and dairy. That's even more reason to consider supplementation if you're plant-based. Now, before you grab a bottle, remember, L-Carnitine is generally safe. No known side effects, no common medical interactions. But that doesn't mean it's for everyone. Always consult your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine, because even the most natural solution should fit your unique body and needs. To wrap it up, L-Carnitine isn't just for gym junkies. It's a multitasking molecule that supports fat loss, energy, mental sharpness, circulation, and reproductive health. It's smart, safe, and science-backed, exactly what your wellness journey deserves. For more powerful, research-backed insights, subscribe to Vital Elixir and tap into the tools to live your healthiest life. Your body is your engine. Fuel it wisely. Consult your healthcare provider. Stay informed and keep thriving.